All right, my friends. Lewis here with Blue Crocus Solutions. Just wanted to hop in here and drop some knowledge for you guys. Something that I've seen really effective for our marketing business, for our junk removal business, and for other people who have done this. I was talking to a couple people here this morning, a couple clients, and I said, hey guys, if you want to get uncomfortable but get results, try this. So here is a really good way to get more people in your local area seeing what you do, learning what you do, getting to know, like, and trust you, and then eventually, when the need arises, reaching out to you. It's free. It takes a little bit of your time, and it's guaranteed to get results. So, what I'm going to get you guys to do, and I'm kind of going to do this as a challenge. I challenged a couple of our clients to do this, and I'd love for you guys to tag me. Comment on the YouTube video where if you're seeing this on YouTube, comment on Facebook if you're seeing this on Facebook. But just drop a, hey, I've done this. I've done 10 of these. But let me know. So what is it? You guys are on the edge of your seats now. What I'm going to get you guys to do is to go live on Facebook inside of a Facebook group, a buy and sell Facebook group, a yard sale group, a community group, whatever the case may be. Just go live on a job that you guys are doing. And it doesn't have to be anything fancy. It could be, hey, it's Lewis here with Integrity Junk. We're just out here doing a job. Just hold the camera, point the camera at the job if you need, point the camera at yourself, and show the job in the background. But just go live, talk about what you're doing, what it is that you can do, and say, hey, today we're out doing a garage clean out in, such and such an area. And we'd love, we just wanted to show you what we can do, give you guys an idea. If you think that no one can help you, this is some of the stuff that we do. This is, one example of what we do. We also do deck demolition, shed demolition, garage cleanouts, estate cleanouts, hoarder cleanouts, if that's something that you guys want. I know some people steer away from that, but those bigger jobs can be really good. Talk about what you're doing and just say, point the camera at what you're doing, point it around the room, point it around the yard if you're doing debris cleanup, point it around the construction site if you're doing construction debris cleanup, and say, hey, this is what we're doing today. If you guys need anything or know anybody that needs something, give us a call. We'd love to help. It's a non-salesy, non-pitchy way to just show people what you do. And just walk around the job quickly. It could be like a 20-second, minute-long video. Just go live quickly inside of a group, inside multiple groups if you want. But I really challenge you guys to try and do that at least once a day. It's going to take you maybe a minute. It's going to get you nervous, especially if you're not used to being on camera. But like I said, you don't have to be on camera. You can just point your camera at the job. Even if you're just taking a video and then posting it in the groups. Just do something. Get people to start to know, like, and trust you. Do that consistently, and I guarantee you will get results. There's something magical about people seeing you enough times to say, okay, they're real. They're they're actual people doing this. You could throw in a joke if you want. You could have joke Wednesdays. You could have something Mondays. It doesn't have to be fancy. Just go with who you are. Get outside your comfort zone probably for a lot of you, because the couple people that I've challenged today, they're like, yikes, that's a little bit of a step outside the comfort zone. It was for me. When I started going live for the marketing business a couple of years ago, man, I got sweaty. I was like, I would sit there like not sure, what I was going to say. Just go live. If you're just pointing the camera away from you and saying, hey, this is what we're doing. This is where we're doing it. We'd love to help you. This is some other examples of stuff that we do. Just do that. Point it at yourself. I recommend pointing it at yourself. Eventually, if you're not comfortable at first, just the talking part, point it at the jobs. Take videos of the jobs, and then when you get comfortable, point it to yourself. Because what's happened is, you may think you sound funny on video. You may think you look funny on video. But here's the truth, guys. And one of my mentors told me this: who you look like on video is who you look like when you talk to a customer. There's no difference. So you might think you look funny. That's what people see. That's who people see. And the more they can see you, the more they can see you getting on video, the more they can see you interacting, the more they can get to know you, like you, and trust you. Or maybe they'll hate you, but they're not going to be the right customers anyway. But if there's someone that's going to be a customer of yours eventually, if you can get in front of them that way, then I would highly recommend it. Obviously, I'm a huge proponent of websites, Google Business Listings, Google Ads, all of that stuff. But there's a lot of stuff you guys can be doing on the streets to build your brand, to build up what you guys are doing, to build up, how people see you, all of that, so that, there's a whole bunch of other streams coming in. So I challenge you guys to do this. Tag me if you do this. Tag me if this resonates you. Tag me if this scares you. Reach out though. This is something that a lot of people overlook, and they just kind of want to buy leads off of Angie's list. They want to, or it's Angie Leads Now, Home Advisor, whatever the case may be. They want some marketing business to do the work for them. I'm going to tell you right now, the people that do a lot of this stuff already, way easier to help them get results on marketing, and it actually ends up costing them less to get results in marketing. So if you start doing this, some of this stuff, if you're already paying for marketing, do it anyway. If you're not paying for marketing and you're just getting going, do it anyway. I definitely recommend it. So hope this is helpful. Highly recommend you guys get outside your comfort zone, because what's gotten you here isn't going to get you to the next level. So get uncomfortable and get out there and make some moves and make some stuff happen. All right, guys, that is me on this fine Wednesday. Have a great one.